Hi. Each year in April, homeowners receive that highly anticipated blue letter from the county tax assessor, telling us how much they're going to assess our homes for in this upcoming year. By protesting your taxes and ensuring your homestead exemption is in place, most homeowners can reduce their property taxes by hundreds or even thousands per year. This will help ensure you pay your fair share, but not a dime more. Unlike most videos, I'm going to give you the most important part up front rather than some teaser of what's to come later. The most important part is to be a good neighbor. If you find a nugget that saves you money, pass it on to your neighbors, because by lowering their values this year, that may help you in the future. Now, there's a few terms I want you to be aware of. The market value, which is the value the county appraiser determines your property is worth. The next is the assessed value, is the amount they will tax you on. For some, those are the same. That usually means they don't have an exemption. The difference between those two are your exemptions. That's the amount they will reduce your taxable value from your market value. The most popular is your homestead exemption, which can be applied to your primary resident and helps in two ways. First, the school district gives you a $100,000 exemption off your market value, even if you don't have students enrolled in school. That means your $400,000 home is now taxed at $300,000. Not bad for filling out a form. The second is a tax cap, which limits your assessed value from raising more than 10% over the prior year. You can fill out your homestead exemption at any time, and I'd recommend getting it done as soon as possible when your license is updated to your new address to make sure you don't miss out on any tax benefits. And you don't need to pay someone to protest for you. It's pretty simple. Other exemptions are your 65 and over, your disability exemption, and your disabled veterans exemption. You may be asking yourself, why protest my market value at all? Well, sometimes the government makes mistakes. Texas is a non-disclosure state, which means that the amount you bought your home for is not part of public record. The assessor is running models based on assumptions, and sometimes those specific cases don't apply to your house, especially when looking at it from their 10,000-foot view. Now, protesting your taxes doesn't have to be complicated, and you can take a couple different paths. First, pay a company a percentage of what they will save you to protest for you. It's pretty simple, and it's a good deal. Secondly, you could reach out to a trusted realtor like me who can pull together some comps, pull some information off of the county tax assessor's website, and provide you the information you need to challenge your property taxes. And lastly, you can do it yourself. If you like digging through the data, go for it. If you have any questions, please reach out. And as always, be a good neighbor and pass this information on. Thank you.